Hey guys, JP here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the cervical jaw extensions. So pretty much when we tilt our head all the way back, we're going to have kind of a limited range of motion and you're going to be able to feel it primarily in the front of the neck, okay? And really what we want to do, two things that we really want to focus on is we want to focus on opening our mouth as wide as possible. You'll see here shortly. Really just the wider you can open your mouth, the better, okay? And the other thing that we want to keep in mind is when we're tilted back here, we don't want to let our head and neck move at all. We're only stretching and strengthening the jaw and the front of the neck, okay? So we'll also have a nice stretch when we try to close the jaw, okay? We won't be able to close the jaw completely, but we should feel a really nice stretch in all throughout the front of the neck there. So the way we do these are pretty much come on back, okay, all the way back, and then we're just gonna open and close our mouth as much as it can without, again, moving our neck. So it's gonna look a little something like this. All the way back, opening all the way, and then without without moving our head, we're going to close the jaw. So again, opening all the way and closing. Notice how I cannot close my mouth all the way. That's because I'm not letting my head move and I'm limited by the range of motion in the front of the neck there, okay? So you just want to hold each of those positions for at least 10 to 20 seconds. If you can go longer, even better. All right, and that's how we do cervical jaw extensions. Thanks so much for watching.